everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time, my name is Shelly, and to all my oldies but goodies, it's always a pleasure having you. So I'm super excited about today's video because I will be unboxing / reviewing a bag for you. This company reached out to me. It's called Bagsaaa, and they asked if I would love to do a bag review for them, and I was like, of course, why not? If you guys have been following me for a while, then you guys know I am obsessed with handbags. I am. But can a girl have too many bags? I don't think so. The bag is gorgeous and I just can't wait to show you. I also have a discount coupon code that you guys will receive $80 off if you use the code Shelly to shop. You will also receive a free Christmas gift. That is amazing. So without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. This is the actual box that the bag came in, you guys. I already threw out the shipping box and everything because I do believe unboxing that on camera, it takes up a lot of time, and I'm not trying for this video to be super lengthy. But this is the actual Saint Laurent box that it came in, and it's a beautiful box. The box is sturdy. So let me go ahead and show you the bag. And this is the dust bag that it came in, and to be honest, I am not loving the dust bag. I think they could have done way better with the dust bag. I have had gorgeous dust bag, but it's okay. We're not focusing on the dust bag because we're not wearing the dust bag, but I just think that they could put a little bit more effort with the dust bag. And Y.S.L is on the front, Saint Laurent, which is okay. Again, I'm not loving the dust bag. This is it, you guys. Wow, it is beautiful. I love it. So this is the Toy Lulu in the Saint Laurent, and I ordered this in a size small, and it is perfect. I love it. It's a gorgeous bag. Let me give you guys a close-up. I love the black leather. It is stunning. It's this rich, deep black that feels both timeless and versatile. Also loving the gold hardware on there. Also on the strap as well. The strap, you guys, is also adjustable. So you are able to wear this bag as an evening bag, everyday bag, or as a clutch. And this is the back side of the bag. I wish it came with a back pocket, you guys. I really do. But nevertheless, it is beautiful. And this is on the bottom of the bag. I also wish that it came with gold feet. I would have loved that. But overall, it's a beautiful bag. I love the leather. It's stunning. Drop in the comment section below and let me know if you girlies are into feet on your bags or not. For me, I love when they do have feet on them. Just picture this bag with gold hardware feet on it. That would be so, so stunning. So that is it for the outside of the bag. And it did came with a flap. So this is the inside of the bag. I think the space is very fair. You're able to hold a few stuff on the inside. The Saint Laurent name is also engraved on the inside of the bag as well, and on the pocket. It did came with a small zipper pocket on the inside, which I think is beautiful. There are two compartments on the inside and also a small pocket on the front of the bag. So I will say this is a reasonable size bag. I love it. I can't wait to pair it with my everyday wear. This is it as a crossbody bag, and it is just stunning. I love the bag, you guys. Absolutely gorgeous. And that is the versatility on this one. So again, I love the gold hardware in. It's not too shiny. It's a very rich and calm gold. I can't wait to rock this, especially in the fall. I'm super excited. I'm already thinking about all the outfits in my head that I'm gonna be pairing with this beauty. So this is it for my beautiful new bag, you guys. I love it. Stay tuned for the pictures and the videos. Guys, be sure to follow me because I will be updating you on the wear and tear of this bag. So this is it for the unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Don't forget to check out the coupon code in my description bar below, and also please follow me if you're not following this page. Give this video a thumbs up. Chit chat with me in the comment section. I love to interact with you guys. Thank you again for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.